The storm's unusual shape was likely caused by a combination of factors, including the strong winds, the low pressure system, and the presence of moisture in the atmosphere. The winds likely helped to shape the clouds into their distinctive disc-like form. The low pressure system likely created the ideal conditions for the formation of cumulonimbus clouds, and the moisture in the atmosphere likely helped to make the clouds appear more dense and opaque. The winds also caused flight disruptions at the local airport. Several flights were canceled or delayed, and some passengers were stranded at the airport.
Infokan, kadi turang infokan. Longsor pak, longsor pak, jalan akses saya pak, buntu pak, longsor besar pak, sumber aqua.
Selamat siang, salam presisi. Saya AKP Yulari SHMH melaporkan pada hari Minggu 7 Januari 2024 pukul 12.15 di kilometer 83 lintas timur Pangkalan Kerinci. Ini genangan air terdalam, paling dalam banjirnya di sini titiknya. Kami tetap berusaha mengurai arus lalu lintas. Ini arus air juga cukup deras. Dihimbau kepada pengemudi, pengendara agar berhati-hati melintasi sini. Ini cuma bisa dilewati oleh kendaraan berat saja. Kami tetap berupaya mengamankan, mengatur arus lalu lintas dalam rangka koalisi sistem pemilu damai 2024. Salam hormat, salam presisi.
Weather extremes continue to plague Indonesia, with landslides and floods occurring in recent days. Water glowing. This was seen on the beaches of Orange County, California. The light was emitted by the algae Linguladinium polydra. This phenomenon occurs during the red tide, when algae blooms cause the water to turn red, brown, or orange. The eruption also affected people's lives across the region. Ash from the eruption blocked roads and airports, making it difficult to evacuate people and deliver aid. The ash also damaged homes and infrastructure in nearby areas.